Welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to be doing today is cleaning off all the bugs that I got from the last road trip off of the new Tesla, also known as the Batmobile. Hopefully be a quick video because we're expecting rain again today, but I really need to get this cleaned. So these are the things that we'll be using today. We've got Tire Shine by Chemical Guys, wheel cleaner. We've got detailing wipes for the inside. This is what we'll be using for washing the car. Suggest getting microfiber cloths. Does wonders. This one's to dry the cloth or dry the car. Mitt for washing. For the bugs that I'm expecting to have to deal with while washing. And also at the bottom of the Home Depot buckets, a couple of grit guards. Going to do the 2-bucket approach. But first, this will be my first time doing this. Supposed to put the car in car wash mode, so like the charging port and everything else doesn't open up. So hit the little car at the bottom, go down on the right hand side, a car wash, and enter car wash mode. As you can see, let me turn this down a bit. We're in Florida, so it's ridiculously hot outside. As you can tell up top, it's already 86 degrees and it's not even noon. But back to car wash mode. With car wash mode, keep speed below 10 miles an hour. The charging port is locked. Walk away door locks are off, automatic wipers are off, park assist is off, sentry mode is off, climate is recirculating, the frunk is closed and the trunk is closed, which we'll see how well it does. And you can fold in the mirrors if you need to fold in the mirrors, but I'm not going through an actual car wash. I'm going to hand wash it, so I'll want the mirrors out for this. So first things first, you want to do a pre-rinse. Pretty much just using the garden hose, rinsing off as much of the dirt that you can before actually starting. And then what you want to do after that is select which one will be your rinse bucket and which one will have your soap in it. The purpose of the grit guard is so when you use your mitt or whatever and you're rinsing it off, all the debris stays at the bottom. Starting with the body wash and wax. Don't need much. As you can tell, that will be my soap and water. Take my garden hose so it doesn't splash all over me. Get this up. I know you can use a pressure washer in order to clean it. I do have one, an electric one. However, I've also seen on some of the forums that the pressure washer can actually strip your paint if you're not using the right nozzle. So seeing this as my first wash, I'm just going to hand wash it, go with this method. So here's with both buckets filled. Just water here, soap and water here. I'll be using these two to wash the car. I'm going to start off with the mitt, and then go and use the other one for the bugs that are caked up on the front. So they say you typically want to start in sections for this and start from the bottom, from the top, and work your way down, because the bottom of the car has got the most dirt and you don't really want to bring that to the top. And then after each panel, you want to go ahead and rinse it off in the other bucket. Taking the first soaping. I'm going to rinse it off real quick. Then I'm going to attack some of the bugs that didn't come off on the first round with the other cloth that I have, or sponge if you want to call it that. So I was able to get off more of the bugs that were on the glass using the blue sponge. And don't worry, links to all of these will be in the description below. Picked up a lot of this at Walmart, but you can also get it on Amazon if you'd like. Now that the rinse is complete, I'm going to use the microfiber cloth, dry it off, and then I'll start on the interior. So after it's dried off, still see a little bit of bugs I need to get off of there. Can't really tell when you're doing it because the car is dark, but can't tell. I don't know if you can tell from the video. There's a couple there that I'm gonna have to take out. Pro tip: don't wait too long after a road trip to give it a wash. Otherwise, you'll have to do this multiple times. Something else that wasn't in the intro of the video, I'm going to use this to clean the glass. Works really well. We use it on the windows around the houses, and it really is streak-free, easy to use. I'll link it in the description below as well. Not bad. Next, we're going to look at the wheels. Put some dressing on it. This product here, you want to rinse the wheels first. They say work on one wheel at a time. Shake the bottle, spray it on, and then rinse off and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. So do not let it dry on there. And then after that, I got some tire shine for it. Same company. This one's by Chemical Guys. wheels are looking nice. Still gotta do the tire shine, but gotta wait for those to dry. I'm going to move to the inside. And then we'll come back to the tire shine. So for the inside, I'm going to be using these detailing wipes. From everything I've seen, you could pretty much just use baby wipes on a Tesla for the material. I do have a toddler, so I could use that. And then I'm just going to vacuum out the inside. Probably won't show the vacuuming part because most people, don't enjoy vacuuming. But you'll see the mess that my little one's made, and even my teenager. So on the inside, I did spring for the mats. Well, aftermarket mats, not. Which I'll also link if anyone's interested. Relatively brand new car, so don't have too much to do in here. So having a toddler, he likes to put his feet up on the headrests. So I did get this back seat protector, in which I can just use one of the detailing wipes and wipe it down and take out the scuff marks that he's caused. Much better. Quick vacuuming. Quick wipe down. So now that the inside's done, I'm going to go back to doing the tire shine because tires are more than dry now. What I'm going to do is spray this onto the applicator pad. Linked to these will also be in the description. And see how well it does. Tire looks compared to the next tire. And we are all done. Well, minus one thing, but I still have to clean the giant iPad, tablet on the inside. But I will have to take that out of car wash mode, I believe, in order to go into the screen cleaning mode. So in order to get car wash mode, it's as simple as hitting exit car wash mode. Just like that, car wash mode's off. And now we need to clean off the screen. Microfiber cloth. Always invest in these. Go to here, display, screen clean mode, and then just go ahead and wipe away the fingerprints. So I've got a screen protector over this, so that's why it's not as bad, easy to clean. Also link that if you guys are interested. I got a few accessories I need to install on here, but that will probably be for another video. All clean. Hold to exit. Exit in 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Well, that's it for now. Until the next one. Thanks for watching.